Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat, right? So we have to just go into the Snapchat mobile application, just give all the required permissions here and just go to the chat section here, okay? And on the top right side corner, top left side corner, you will find a profile icon. So just click on there and after that you can see that my account is public profile. So how I did it, so you have to just click on top right side corner, the setting icon. So click on here and after that you have to scroll a little bit down and here you will find our privacy control. So the very first thing you have to do, so send me notifications, you have to select everyone. Then after that, view my story, select everyone. And contact me, you have to select everyone, right? And after that, that's it guys, this is it. This is after turning all the all the settings to everyone, your account will convert it into a public profile. And this is very easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and see you guys in the next video.